In a sunlit loft, a veteran fintech founder reveals how daily micro-decisions compound into lasting wealth and influence. They wake before dawn, sketching priorities on a whiteboard, then audit yesterday's bets to refine tomorrow's strategy. Interviews pull back the curtain on a rule they live by, reinvesting every win and honoring prudent risk. Beyond numbers lie philosophies about mentorship, ethical leadership, and giving back, practiced through apprenticeships, grants, and transparent reporting. This intimate portrait blends candid anecdotes with data points, showing wealth as a disciplined journey rather than a sudden ascent.